That was so ginormous.
Yeah, it's gonna be a girl, but routine. But that was a ginormous bubble. Like it's gonna do another ginormous bubble by 3 and 2 when I'm 2. Okay, I'm 4 right now. I'm going to be 5 on January 20th. And it's going to be anything that I'm going to do, okay? It's going to do a big 20th bubble. Okay?
You just remembered your birthday. Good job.
This is going to be it in the video. But I'm going to make it more longer.
Don't get that on your shirt.
With a dude-in. Okay, guys. It's a dude-in time now. It's a dude-in time. You can do with yawn time you want. You are gonna be too odd.
What does dude-in mean? Is that your new word?
Dude.
Alright, are you gonna make another bubble or are we all done?
This is gonna be the time for a bubble.
Okay, put it
together
nice.
Rain with a bubble, okay?
Try one more time. Good bubble.
This is gonna be bubble time, bubble time, bubble time, bubble time.
That was so big.
With the first one that I did, okay? I'm gonna end this video until I point, okay? Point, end it.